Are you having problems with your Snapchat video sound not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along until the very end to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for you to actually close your Snapchat app, because we're going to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android, and in here we're just going to search for Snapchat. So search for Snapchat in here and then scroll down and click on Snapchat. As you can see, now you can see there's an update button for me right here. So it's very important that I do click on that update button to be able to actually update my Snapchat to the latest version, because this will fix the most bugs that are currently going on with the Snapchat app. So if there's kind of a bug right now where it's like the sound is not working on a video, then an update can actually fix this issue. So if you have this update button, just click on it and wait for it to update. And after that, you can go back to Snapchat and try again. But if it's still not working for you, well, then there's actually another way that you can also fix this issue, just so you know. So basically what you're going to do, if the update is still not working for your app or for your Snapchat app, then what you're going to do is to just scroll to this page right here. So scroll down, then you're going to enable the airplane mode in here. It's very important that you enable the airplane mode, then just disable it. What will happen is that you will actually lose connection for just a couple of seconds, and then it will, when you turn the airplane mode off, it will reinstall the connection again, and the connection will be a bit stronger than before, because sometimes the reason for sound not working is that there's bad connection. So when you do this, you can now go back into your Snapchat app and try again. And hopefully this will fix this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.